How Wolves Became Dogs, The Untold Story, a magical bond forged in fire and loyalty.
Thousands of years ago, wolves weren't pets. They were dangerous hunters that avoided humans at all costs. But something changed. Some wolves started coming closer to human camps, searching for leftover food. The friendlier, less aggressive wolves survived better because humans didn't chase them away. Over generations, they evolved into loyal companions. And those wolves, they became the first dogs in history.